For the first 2 to 5 hours of supervised driving, try to find a little used road or maybe a completely empty, wide open parking lot for this initial driving experience. I recommend the parent or adult drive to the learning location, and ideally, driving conditions should be daylight and dry weather. If one parent seems to have an easier relationship with the child, then I recommend that this parent should be the driving helper. If parents don't have the time for supervised driving, then try to find a trusted friend to help. If you're using a stick-shift vehicle to teach your child to drive, then I would not be on public roads until they have mastered the use of the clutch for starting off, gear shifting, and the use of the reverse gear. Drivers with automatic transmissions need to know the procedures to successfully find park, drive, neutral, and reverse. Make sure your new driver understands full steering lock from left to right and is using the correct hand position. The gas pedal is not an on-off switch. You should be able to feel when your child has control from a standstill and also in deceleration. Smoothly on and off the pedal in normal driving conditions. Application of the brake should not be all or nothing. Smooth techniques should make you feel comfortable as a passenger in normal driving conditions. If the vehicle has an anti-lock brake system, or ABS as it's commonly called, then your child should know exactly what that means, especially in emergency slowdowns. Full braking pressure may result in a pulsing felt under the brake foot. Do not release braking leg pressure if you feel this pulsing. Ideally, you will feel this pulsing in emergency situations, or it means you are not braking at full efficiency. Stability control is now fitted to the majority of new vehicles. Stability control is a computer-controlled system that automatically invokes the braking system on a vehicle, and this aids the driver to maintain control in certain critical driving situations. Traction control will help a vehicle to not spin its tires when under acceleration. This can be very useful in slippery conditions. All drivers should know if their vehicle has anti-lock brakes, stability control, or traction control. Older vehicles may not have any of this helpful technology, so be aware and informed. You can always do passenger right seat commentary at this early stage to help them. Be patient, be calm, no distractions.